Imagine for a moment that I'm your partner and I look at you and I say to you, of course I love you. How loved do you feel right now? You're probably feeling inside, oh, you're angry at me. And you're right. So what happened here? My body language, in this case my facial expression and my tone of voice, was more powerful than the words I said. So body language, when it comes to relationship, is a really important tool and really important something to pay attention to and to notice in yourself and in your partner, because it carries very strong messages. Sometimes the messages you want to deliver to your partner, and sometimes messages that they get that is not your intention, but that's what they hear and that's what they respond to. So in this video, I want to talk specifically about three different parts or three different areas of body language that are very significant when it comes to romantic relationship. The first one is eye contact. Eye contact is intimate. It's close. It's connecting. And so most of the time when you're talking to your partner, when you're saying something to them, or when you're listening, you want to create eye contact. It gives the message, I'm here with you. I'm paying attention. I'm only focused on you and not on someone else. I'm really seeing you. I'm really listening to you. A lot of time when partners don't do that, when you talk to them and they look away, you end up feeling like you're not there with me. I can't count on you. You're not really listening. Now there's one important caveat. In some cultures, for some people, eye contact could be overwhelming, or it's not the custom of the culture. So in those cultures or with those people, you want to modulate. You want to create some eye contact and also look someone away in order to modulate that. But in general, eye contact is a good thing. And I want to even invite you to do a practice with your partner. So sometimes, when you're in dinner, for example, with each other, and you're just anywhere in your bedroom with each other, just take a moment to really create a little bit of a longer eye contact, even in silence. Seeing what it's like to really see your partner. How much do we actually do that in real life? Do we really see our partner? This second aspect I want to talk about is turning towards versus turning away. Okay? Turning towards means that you lean towards your partner. It means your body is open towards them. It means that your posture is leaning towards them, is focused on them. Turning away means your body is in a different posture. Sometimes we actually have a mix of those things. Like for example, if I look at you this way, some part of my body is leaning towards you, and then some part of my body is actually leaning away. Okay? Leaning away could also mean like kind of a closed posture. Like you're looking away, but also your arms are folded. So turning towards your partner, again, gives that message of I'm with you, I'm listening, I'm interested in you. Leaning away from your partner gives the message of like I need some distance from you. I need some space. And again, there's not just one way and right or wrong. You have to always adjust to your style, to your partner's style. Maybe too much leaning towards them feels too much for them, and you want to be a little bit leaning away. But the important message is you want to pay attention to that. And again, you can do a quick practice. Next time you're with your partner, notice the difference for you and for them. If you're more open and leaning towards them, or if you're more leaning away and even a little close towards them. What's the difference? What do you prefer and what do they prefer? Now the third aspect is closeness and distance. So how close are you to your partner versus how distant are you from your partner? There's a certain aspect, like when we look at someone and most of what we see is their face and maybe their shoulder, this is more of an intimate space. This is why you only use that space when you're close to someone. And if you're with a business partner or someone that you don't know, you usually take more space from them because that's less intimate. Okay? So it's another aspect to pay attention to. How close am I to my partner? How close am I sitting towards them or away from them? What's their comfort? When do they feel connected versus when do they feel distant? Or when do they feel like, oh, you're intruding on my space too much and you need a little bit to back off? Okay? It's again something you can play with consciously with your partner. Tell them like, hey, I learned this new thing and I want to try this with you. How comfortable are you when I get closer to you? Is that better or worse? What happens when I get more distant from you? Is that better or worse? So, in summary, so much of our interaction with our partner in a romantic relationship is actually non-verbal. It's what we say with our body, not necessarily with our words. So I want to invite you to pay attention to that more and look to, can you use those tools when it comes to creating closeness with your partner. Now, if you want to learn more and if you want to get more video and tips about how to use mindfulness and the body-mind connection in your relationship, then check the links below this video. Thank you.